Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore timbre and how it relates to the music we make. Timbre is often described as a color or tone quality of a sound. It's what makes each instrument or voice unique. It's not about pitch or volume, it's about the unique character of the sound itself. Here's an example of timbre. Each of these instruments will be playing the same part, but you'll notice that each instrument sounds quite a bit different. In music production, timbre plays an important role, helping create emotion, setting a mood, or even defining a genre. Producers like to manipulate timbre by using various tools like equalizers, synthesizers, and other effects. Understanding and manipulating timbre is key to making your track stand out. It's all about finding the right sound that fits your musical vision. So that's a brief overview of timbre. And remember, it's important to experiment and find your own unique sound. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.